Now we'll take a look at stock management. That is how to move stock inwards and how to move stock outwards. Click on Inventory, and under Stock Management, you'll see a Stock Entry Inward button and a Stock Entry Outward button. Entry Inward deals with bringing stock into the store. Entry Outward deals with moving stock out of the store. So when you use Entry Inward, you will be increasing the count of the stock. And when you're moving stock out of the store, you will be decreasing the count of that item. Let's take a look at Stock Entry Inward first. Click on the button and then click on Add. Select a supplier here if you want to. I'm going to select a few items. You can see here that the current stock is 1. I'm going to refill this item. And to do that, I'll bring more stock of this product into the store. Here you can select the zone, rack, shelf, and box. Currently, all of them are set as default. In the quantity field here, I'll specify the quantity that I want to bring in. I'm going to enter 10. That's the amount of this product I want to bring into the store. Then, I'll click on Add. I'm going to follow the same steps for another product. I'll select Dabur Honey. You can see here that the current stock is 0. I'm going to specify the quantity I want to bring into the store. I'm going to enter 20. Then I'll click on Add. So this item is also added. In the end, after completing the stock entry, the total stock will change for these items. Down below, you can enter remarks. Once everything is filled out, click on Save and Close. This entry has been added, so the stock amount for these items will increase. Let's verify it. Go to the brand stock statement. Once it's open, I'm going to check the current stock of the items we just brought into the store. The item was Amul cheese. You can see here that the quantity has become 11. It was 1 before. After adding the 10 stocks, it has increased. Similarly, I can check Dabur Honey's stock too. Here you see that the current stock is 20. It was 0, and I brought in 20 stocks of this item into the store. This is how stock entry inward is done. Now let's take a look at stock entry outward. You will need to use this feature when you receive stock that is damaged or is of bad quality. In those cases, you may want to return it or move it outside your store. That is the use case of stock entry outward, and that is where we're at right now. Let's start by clicking Add. Let's say the items that were previously bought were of bad quality or consisted of expired stock. So I'm going to select those items. The current stock is 11. I'm going to put the out quantity as 10 because 10 of those items were of bad quality. Then I will select the type. I'm going to state that they were damaged. Then I'll click Add. The item has been added here. Now I'm going to choose another damaged item. This is the other damaged item. The current stock of this item is 20. I'm going to send 10 of these out since 10 of them were damaged. The other 10 were good. I'll select the type as damaged and then Add. There's a current stock of 11 for cheese slices and the out quantity is 10. After the stock gets sent out, the total stock will become 1. Dabur Honey has a current stock of 20 now. And when 10 of them are sent out, 10 of them will be available. I'm moving them out of the store because they're damaged. Then you can add remarks. After filling up all of this information, click on Save and Close. Now when you check the brand stock statement, the stock of those items would have reduced, because some items were moved out of the store. I'm going to search for Amul cheese. Only one is left because we took 10 out. And similarly, with Dabur honey, the current stock is 10 because we took 10 out from the initial stock of 20. This is how you can perform stock out entries.